So the inspiration behind my work is the natural world. I've spent most of my life outside in the mountains, in nature. I find it fascinating. I find it fascinating aesthetically. It's a beautiful place, especially the mountains around here. My father's been taking me into the mountains of Snowdonia since I was a kid. He was a warden on Snowdon, and I followed him into wardening, and then into now, as I work for the Countryside Council for Wales, into the environment. So that's been really the background to why I wanted to work with this. Then I've always been interested in sculpture. I studied art and I studied applied arts, and metal and blacksmithing has always been something that's really close to my heart as well. I was lucky enough to work to volunteer for a while in the Welsh Slate Museum and work with the blacksmith there, who is amazing skill and amazing traditional skill. And now it's so nice to have my own workshop to be able to carry on doing the work that I want to do based on my experiences in nature. Galluogi was fantastic. To start with, obviously the work and the time they put in to help me was amazing, and the money they put in to help me set up the business was invaluable. But just how easy it was to get in touch, to ask a question, not just about the grant, but also about setting up a business. This is the first time I've been self-employed, so I had lots of questions, and there's always been someone there to answer my questions and answer the phone when I call. At the moment, I'm working towards a small exhibition that I've got in the gallery in Carnarvon. It's been fantastic because it's the first time I've been creating a body of sculpture and a body of work to go into one place. So I'm busy doing that at the moment. After that, I've got some commissions for gates that I'd like to start working on again, and I'm also very keen to start producing craft-based pieces, stuff like smaller things like candlesticks and furniture that I can start selling in the local shops.